Okay, hello everybody. Say hello, Teresa.
Hello.
Today we're opening a double bubble electronic bubble mower. Okay, so what have we got? Open up. Okay, what have we got? We've got the instructions. We've got, take it easy now, a handle, I think, bigger handle. We've got some bubbles. Show the people the bubbles.
Hi people, bubbles.
Our wheels. And our base of our lawnmower. Wow, okay. So, we'll just leave the box over here. Okay, now, what do we gotta do? It's pretty, oh. Right, so with wheels, we'll put our wheels on first. Yeah. One wheel, two wheels. Now watch. Pull your two. Four wheels. How many have we got? Four wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our wheels just clip on really, really, really easy. Now, that's our wheels. So we've got 4 wheels. You go. Wow, okay.
Now open the bubble for me.
1 minute now. Now, this is our lower handle, and it's so easy to put together. I love these toys that are easy to put together, trust me.
Yeah.
And then the top handle. Now, okay. Now we need 3 AA batteries. So I have those in the kitchen. So give me 2 ticks and I'll be right back.
Me too. Right back.
Okay, so for this particular model we needed a precision Phillips head screwdriver, and we need our 3 batteries. Have you got our 3 batteries?
Here.
Okay. 1. Next one. 2. Good girl. Thank you very much. Now the cover. Thank you. And I'll just pop our screw back in to hold the cover in place. Yes. Whoopsie.
You missed it, Mommy.
I lost it. I found it.
Yes.
Okay. So just pop her in and tighten her up.
I'm going to plug in some.
Now give me back your handle, please.
Here I go.
Thank you.
It's a big hanger.
Hold that.
Okay.
What did you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. What did you say about the handle? Okay, bring back Mommy's screwdriver and she'll pop it back in her box. So. Okay, now step back up then. Because I think it's time to give it a go. Do you think so? Okay, so our little lawnmower comes with this. It says double bubble.
Show me.
Okay, so
It's like a bucket.
the instruction says you just pour, yes?
It's like a bucket.
The instruction says you just pour it in here. So let Mommy do it. Just let you know now. So the instructions just basically say to pour in the bubble solution in here. So, oh, there's a cover on it. Okay. So we'll just put in a little bit first. Right. Okay, Teresa, Press the button. Wow, look at the bubbles! Holy guacamole! Oh, you're covering the ponies in the bubbles! Did I like them? Turn around now. Show the camera. Now, turn it to the camera. Wow, do you like this new toy?
Yeah.
You really like it? The best toy ever? So, there you have it, guys. That is our double bubble lawnmower, and I think I have one happy little girl. Do I? She's bubbleizing the whole sitting room. Happy? Okay, Teresa, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Come over here, quick, quick.
Bye.
See you all
See
soon.
you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I love my bubble machine.
I love you.